What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tyler. The truck is the Sandworm, and as you can see, it is super muddy. So in today's video, we are actually going to be cleaning it, and I'm going to show you my process kind of step by step. I'm not going to record the whole thing because this would be like a 4 or 5 hour long video if I did that, because I really go in depth on making sure this thing's spotless. But before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe, and let's roll the intro. Okay, so today we have a brand by the name of Salty Captain that sent me some cleaning supplies. So that's kind of what we're going to be testing those out and cleaning this. I've used Chemical Guys, Armor All, things like that. So it'll be kind of nice to use something different and see how it compares. And if you follow Downtime Lost, you've seen that he also has used this stuff. So the goal of this video is to see if we can't get the Sandworm shinier than his Desert Z71. So the goal of this video, with two goals, is to show off Salty Captain and their cleaning chemicals, and to see if we can outshine the truck compared to Downtime Lost. So we're gonna see if it can get more spotless than his. Downtime Lost, challenge accepted. But anyways, let's go over what we got. First of all, I needed a new water hose, so I bought me a 100-foot water hose from Walmart. We'll see how that does. I don't have a power washer, so I usually just go up to the car wash and power wash everything, knock off, you know, the heavy mud and stuff. So I'll probably skip to that point, just because I don't have a power washer quite yet. It's on the list, but don't have it yet. But anyways, on to the Salty Captain stuff. They sent me this 2-in-1 salt wash and flush gun. They call it the Captain's Musket, and so this will hook up to, kind of reflective, but this will hook up to my garden hose. You can put the soap in it, mix it up, and it's a foam cannon essentially. And then they sent me 2 buckets, one that you can put your soap and water in, and then one is a rinse bucket to wash your sponge off and everything. And so this all comes in one package. I can't remember the name off the top of my head. I'll put the link down below, but I'm pretty sure this is their 4x4 off-road package. So it comes with everything you need to clean mud and grime off your truck. So what we got is, you've got the hand sponge, the foamer, the soap applier. You've got 2 brushes. This one's more, I don't know the word for it, hard. This one's softer. So probably one for like plastic and stuff, and then one for the tires. At least that's what I'm going to use it for. And then lids for all the bottles, spray nozzles. This one, we've got tire shine. I haven't even looked at these yet. We've got the drip dry, your post hydro coat, and give it that shiny clear coat look. Grease attacker. This will come in handy getting that mud and grime off from the trails. And then we've got the 4-wheel drive and RV wash. And then interior cleaner. Need that for sure. It's all dusty in there. And then streak-free glass cleaner. I'm excited to see how this works, because I've used the Armor All stuff, and the Armor All stuff leaves streaks everywhere. And then in this other bucket, you have this grid that you put at the bottom of your rinse bucket, so that all the dirt and grime goes down to the bottom, and when you're rinsing your sponge, your sponge comes out clean. But you've got this like foam pad, so you can apply stuff or put on the tire cleaner, things like that. You've got a big dry towel, and then you get a whole pack of microfiber cloths. So you get quite a bit of stuff for a decent price, honestly. This super price, and I believe this company is out of Australia, which is super cool, and the brand's cool, their logo's cool. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna be doing, you know, kind of my process, because I do everything a certain way, and then as I apply these, because they do have the directions and instructions on the back, I'll tell you kind of the directions and instructions of each soap, each cleaner, just so if you decide to purchase one of these, you know, you'll know how to do it when it arrives. So I'm super excited to check this out, and let's go ahead and get the hose plugged in, and I'm gonna start cleaning some of this mud and grime off before I actually start the cleaning process. So let's go. All right guys, so we're about to wash the truck with the new Salty Captain chemicals. I'm going to make one of these a rinse bucket and one of these a soap bucket. So for the soap bucket, we're going to be putting in the grease attack, and this is just going to be a couple of capfuls in the bucket and then fill it up with water. And then for the foam cannon, we're going to use the 4-wheel drive RV wash, and it's going to be a 1:10 ratio. So they make it easy on you. They've got the milliliters right there, and I'm going to assume 30, 40, I would say somewhere between here and here is about 10. So you'll fill that up with the chemical, and then you'll fill it up the rest of the way with water, and then you'll have your foam. So we're gonna try that out real quick. I'm gonna fill all these buckets up, and then we're gonna see how it goes. All right, so now that we have the buckets full, we're gonna put the 4-wheel drive soap on here. So I'm actually just rinsing the truck right now to get it wet, and then I'll turn on the foam. All right, so let's flip the foam on. Okay, so me personally, I like to do one side at a time so I don't risk it drying on me. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the degreaser sponge and start wiping this side down. And I'm rinsing the sponge after each section, so I count a section as where the body line splits, so like the door, the front door, passenger door, front fender, rear fender. And that's just to make sure I don't have any dirt stuck to this and I'm, you know, scratching the paint any worse than the trails already have. Okay, so we've got that side done. Now I'm just gonna add some more foam and then rinse it all off. And they do offer a quick connect, so you can disconnect this real quick and put this on for rinsing. But I'm gonna put more foam on it real quick. And I forgot to mention, the cool part about this foam cannon is if you push it forward halfway, that's just water. If you push it forward all the way, that's the foam. So you just pull this back, disconnect that, and then push this one in. All right, so we have that side done. I'm gonna do the other side and get the tires real quick, and then I'll check back in and we'll do the drip dry, and then the interior cleaner, do that next, and then glass cleaner, and then that'll be about it. This kit makes it pretty quick to wash your vehicle, so especially if you keep it waxed and ceramic coated, you just put this stuff on there, wipe it down, rinse it off, and you're good to go. But once I get the rest of the truck done, I'll check back in and we'll do the rest of the chemicals. All right, so we've got the truck all rinsed off with the 4x4 cleaner and the degreaser. And so now we're going to use the drip dry, and this is going to be 9 parts water, 1 part of this. So we're going to do 10 milliliters of this, and then the rest will be water, and then we'll start spraying it down. Also, it does say once you apply this foam, rinse it off. You apply it to the whole truck and then rinse it off immediately. Don't let it sit on the truck, and definitely don't apply this in the sun. So and then you just let it drip dry after that, like what the bottle says, And you want to do this while the vehicle's wet, so I'm going to re-wet the truck down and then spray the foam. All right, so we got it all shiny. All that's left is I'm just gonna let it dry, and then I'll do the tires, get them all shined up, and then touch up the wheels. But that soap, those chemicals did really good. Doesn't look like I have to do any detailing actually, which is great because I did not feel like doing that. But if you made it this far in the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'm gonna link Downtime Lost's video of him trying these chemicals out and washing his truck, and I want you to comment and let me know who got their truck shinier, me or him. And let him know. Go over and let him know that the sandworm got his truck cleaner. But anyways, gonna let that dry, and then we'll apply the tire shine. All right, so the tires are dry, so we're going to apply some of the tire shine now with the spray nozzle, and then with the sponge to kind of rub it in, and then I'll take a microfiber towel or just any towel and wipe off the excess. And I just wanted to add that while I was waiting for that to dry, I went ahead and wiped down the Bronco with some quick detailer and used the microfiber towels from Salty Captain. And I was impressed because usually the towels that I buy from like AutoZone or something like that, I have to use 2 or 3 for the whole vehicle because they start soaking in these chemicals and leaving streaks and everything. I was able to use 1 whole towel on the whole vehicle without leaving streaks. So super happy with the towels. But anyways, let's go ahead and apply some of this to the tires. Also, that soap got these wheels so clean, I might not even have to really put any detailer on them. All right, and just like that, we've got a shiny paint job, shiny tires, shiny wheels. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna do the other 3, but that's pretty much all the chemicals and how good they work. So definitely like and subscribe. I'll link all this stuff below, as well as Downtime Lost video. Remember, go comment on his video and tell him that I was able to get my truck shinier than him, just to poke some fun at him. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.